In this short video, I'll be using Fibral Lite to demonstrate two repairs, one with mesh, one without. Before beginning the repair process, clean the surface with wax and grease remover, UP2002, 2012, or 2022 to remove all surface contaminants. After the surface area is clean, sand both the front and rear side of the panel to be repaired with 80 to 180 grit sandpaper. After the surface has been thoroughly sanded, use compressed air to blow off the repair area. To eliminate the possibility of solvent absorption by exposed fibers, do not re-clean with wax and grease remover. Unlike standard fillers and putties that require a 2% hardener ratio, Fibral Lite requires 3%. These images provide a visual reference of the amount of activator needed to properly catalyze Fibral Lite. In this example, I'm mixing 100 grams of Fibral Lite with 3 grams of hardener. Mix until it's uniform in color to ensure that it cures evenly. When using mesh as an optional reinforcement technique, measure and cut the mesh so that you have about a 1 to 2 inch overlap all around the area being repaired. This is much less messy than attempting the same repair with liquid resin and mesh. Once the Fibral Lite is adequately mixed, apply it to both sides of the mesh, then transfer it to the back side of the panel. In this example, I applied Fibral Lite to the top of the mesh. I'll place it on the damaged area and then mix up additional material and apply it to the opposite or back side of the patch. After the reinforcement patch has been applied, move to the front side of the panel, mix up additional product to further reinforce the damaged area as well as provide the foundation for the cosmetic repair with medium dent filler or glaze. When working on smaller or non-structural repairs like these bullet holes, it's not necessary to use the optional reinforcement mesh. Clean the surface with wax and grease remover. Sand both the front and the back side of the panel with 80 to 180 grit sandpaper. A piece of tape on the front side will keep the Fibral Lite from pushing through when you spread it on the back of the panel. In spreading the Fibral Lite, firmly press it into the surrounding repair area. When finished spreading on the back side, turn the panel over, pull the tape, and apply Fibral Lite to the front side of the panel. After drying for a minimum of 20 minutes, rough sand with 80 grit, then finish sand with 120 to 220 grit. Once finished sanding is complete, apply filler or glaze if needed, then prime and paint.